Ma'am, may final decision na po ba yung prosecution panel and Congressman Chua doon sa pagkuha ng authorization from the President to open the documents, the BIR box?
This is a matter of strategy na pag-uusapan pa ng public prosecutors at kami po sa private counsel for the prosecutors, pag-uusapan po natin if it is still necessary, no? Because siguro ang ginagawang nilang batayan, yung statement ni former BIR Commissioner Henares, nung nag-testify siya at pinakita yung BIR documents, meron ng written permission ang President, no? But it is just a matter of fulfilling a requirement if required by the impeachment court.